Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the electronic hooters required in safety departments or wherever the problems are there, the hooters are required. When the problem is generated or erupted, it makes a sound, hooter makes a sound to alert the operators or the supervisors or whoever are there in the vicinity. These electronic hooters sounds are of different types depending upon the applications. Like suppose it's a very less type of emergency, the plain tones are being used. Like its tones are like this. Then there is a mid level of emergency. Then two tones are generally given. Two tones means ta-nu, ta-nu like tones. And third is very high emergencies. High emergencies, wobbling tones are there, just like ambulance. So some fire has erupted or some accident has happened. So for that the wobbling tones are being used. And for normal operation, beepers are also there. Beeping, that means beep, beep, beep sounds are there. Beep, 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 these type of sounds are there. So there are different applications for different uses. So these all type of electronic hooters are manufactured by Mimic. Total range of sounds, total range of voltages, total range of cutout, total range of mounting. Mounting also it is required for different types. Like suppose you are having a control panels. You need to fit the hooter in the control panel. So for that 92 by 92 cutout is a universal international size. Those 92 by 92 hooters are these hooters. These are called as panel hooters. But in panel also, these hooters, you have to make 92 by 92 cutout. We are also having the hooters of 22.5 cutout. So normal lamp cutout 22.5, you can fit these hooters also. In this also you have got a variation like buzzers, 22.5 buzzers, 22.5 hooters, then cancellation type. Cancellation type is also required. That means when the hooter sounds, the operator comes over there, he knows the fault, and when he knows the fault, he says, yes, bhai, I accepted. I accepted the fault is there, but the sound has to be closed. So there are the push buttons given on the front sides. Is when the push button is being pressed, the sound stops, but the light remains flashing till the fault is there. So these are called cancellation type hooters. So these both type of hooters are available in 22.5 as well as in 92 by 92 cutout. Then base mounting hooters are also required. That means that can be fitted on the wall, that can be fitted on the floor, that are fitted on the top of the machine or top of the control panel, or can be fitted somewhere on the outside of the factory. So where the warning is required. So these type are the preliminary type of hooters required for industry for safety departments. And Mimic is the manufacturer of total range of hooters, electronic hooters. In this hooter there are some advanced versions also. Advanced versions like these are the hooters generally being used for indoor applications. For outdoor applications you need weatherproof hooters. And in the weatherproof hooters also there are much more tones are also there, like Siren tone is also there. So these are advanced ranges. I am going to explain you in my next video, where I will explain you about the weatherproof hooters, then remote control hooters, fire alarm hooters, timer operated hooters, then temperature operated hooters. There are many hooters we manufacture for safety applications. That advanced hooters video I will follow after this video. Be in touch with us. Thank you.